Hi, good evening everybody. It is Monday the 20th of November and it is time to choose my product for the December 2023 Glam bag. Now I should be getting 2 Glam bags, so hopefully I've got 2 emails like this, but let's do this one first, shall we? Right, so let's choose my product. So there we go. Okay, let's see, what have they got for us? Choose a product to start your December Glam bag. Make your selection. So the first item is Manakadar Cosmetics. I don't really like anything from Manakadar, to be honest. And it's a, what is it? Diamond Dust Roll-On Pigmented Shadow in Enchanted. I'll just click into it so we can see what it looks like. No, I'm not interested in that at all. Okay, so let's go back. I must admit, I did look at the spoilers for December. Yeah, it's what I expected. Nothing looks exciting at all for the Glam bag or the Boxer Charm by Ipsy. Next is the next choice is the Transluce Beauty Illusion Volumizing and Lengthening Mini Mascara. I've received the mascara of this in full size before. It's okay, nothing special, but I don't really want that. What else have we got? We are Paradox Repair Game Changer Hair Mask. Again, that's a product I have received lots and lots and lots of times from UK beauty boxes, and people send them to me as well, because I know a lot of people who are my subscribers, they don't really like this product or it's too much for their hair, so they just send it all over to me, which is great because between my daughter and my niece, the full size gets used up in one use. So definitely the sample size isn't going to do anything for my lot. Next is Golden Fathom MD Lip Therapy. Well, Golden Fathom is quite an expensive brand, but again, there is nothing I have received from Golden Fathom that I have used. So lip therapy, I don't know. What else is there? Then we've got Shades by Sean Gel Eyeliner in Tapioca Pearl. Right, I do like eyeliners in different colours. Tapioca Pearl, what kind of colour is that supposed to be? Let's have a look. Does that look like a blackish grey colour? Oh, it's silver black eyeliner. Lets you create an ultra-defined looks that won't smudge. Okay, that's a possibility. I might pick that. Then we've got Ace Beauté Lip Gloss in Slick Luster. No, I'm not interested. We've got a Diona's Peppermint Twist Goat Milk Hand Cream. I might consider that, but I think I'm doing all right on hand creams. Extreme Radiance Lifting Mask from Ahava. Ahava's a good brand. Then we've got Verifee Skincare Self-Absorbed Moisturiser. Let's have a look. What's that? It's only 15 mils. Hydrate skin area. No, I'm not going to bother with that. I think I'm going to go for the Shades by Sean Gel Eyeliner in Tapioca Pearl. So we'll pick that. Confirm selection. There we go. And obviously they go straight to the flash sale. Right, I'm just going to have a quick look and see if I've got the email for my other account. Give me a second. Okay, here's the second account, I think. Right, I'm not sure if this is my second account or the original account. I'll soon find out. I haven't had a confirmation email as yet, so just in case it is my second account, I am going to pick another product. So this time I am going to pick what am I going to pick? I might pick, I'll go for the Ace Beauté lip gloss. Right, and there you go, guys. Those are my choices for my Glam bag for December. Take care. Speak to you all soon. Bye.